Madeline Hill here, and I will be showing. No, I won't be showing you anything. I'll just be telling something new, different, just like. And we are gonna be something different from Madeline Hill. Okay, so if you're watching this, do I have a date? One second. Okay, so that's enough dancing. So you will be singing my next video that is different. Maybe like next week. So